Hello everyone! Are you ready to explore the exciting world of tens? It's awesome to learn about bigger numbers. Tens are group of 10. Yes, like 10, 20. Now let's have fun with some tens. Look, I am in this super cool forest, but with some hungry bees. Yes, there they come, look! Each bee has a number written on its body, representing the number of flowers they've eaten pollen from. What we have to do is to catch them one by one in order. Yes, look! We already have the numbers 10 and 20. Yes, 10 and 20. 10, T-E-N, and 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y. But now it's time for the number 30, 30, 30. Where is the number 30? 30, where are you? Yes, there. I saw it. Great. We can catch it, yes? And it writes itself this way. T-H-I-R-T-Y, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. Now let's go for the number 40. 40, 40. Got it! 40. Okay, F-O-R-T-Y. F-O-R-T-Y. Be careful and don't write the number 4, okay? Now 50. 50. 50. Where are you? Where? Oh, yes! 50. Okay. F-I-F-T-Y. F-I-F-T-Y. Great! The best. Oh! Now the next one is the number 60. 60. 60. 60. Where is the number 60? Can you see the number 60? Between those rocks. Yes, great. 60, S-I-X-T-Y. And 70. Now's your turn. 70, 70. Up there, above the trees. We spell it this way. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. Like the number 7, and then we just add T-Y. Well done! Great! Okay, now let's go for the next number. 80. 80. Where are you, 80? Where are you? Here! No. Wait, hold on. This is not the number 80, it's the number 90. But there are no more bees here. Where's the number 80? I can hear a bat. But where? Hey, it was just here. Okay, E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. Oof. And the last one, the number 90. Yes, I saw it. Super easy because it's really chubby and moves very slowly. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. Amazing. And now what? Whoa. What happened? Look, as far as we got all numbers, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. What happened? We've got 100 flowers. 100, guys.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kiddos, keep learning with numbers. This time we have all these numbers here and just the ones that are tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. And we need to find them in this other column and connect them, okay? So let's go for the first number, the number 10. And as you know, I like rainbows, so I'm going to follow those colors. The number 10 is yellow, and 10, T-E-N. Okay, that is here. Now we go for the number orange, the number 20, sorry, not the number orange. The number 20, and it's kind of a darker yellow. And the 20, 20, 20 here. T-W-E-N-T-Y. Number 20, well done. Okay, now I go for the number 30. 30 with a stronger orange this time. 30. And the number 30 is the one on the top. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y. Now we go for the number 40. 40, number 4. And 0. And 40, 40, 40 is here. And look, it's 40, just with an O. We don't need the U. 40. Well done. Now, 50. For the 50, I'm going to use, this dark red. This dark red, like this. Okay. And the number 50 is here. F-I-F-T-Y. F-I-F-T-Y. Well done. Now number what? Number 60. So again, we paint the inside 6 and O. 6 and O. And S-I-X-T-Y is here. 60. Well done. Okay, now we go for the number, 70. 70, S and O, 70. 70, well done, 70. And 70 is here, S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 70, great. Now we go for the number 80. 80, well done. 80 is here. That's fantastic. 80 and E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80. Okay, now we go for the number 90. Number 90. Number 90 and O, and here N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. And finally, I love the color, this beautiful colorful chain. And finally, with the dark green, 100. 1. We've got here another, like a double O. And 1 with the number 1. 100. 100. That is, yeah, we have it. We super have it. Well done, guys. Remember the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Well done. Goodbye.